Hello students, welcome to my channel Classmate. Today we will discuss how to divide any 4 digit and 5 digit number by 2 digit number. So let's start. As you can see, I have already written two numbers on two sides of the board. Just you focus on the first number. Here the dividend is 4832. I have written all the digits ones, under ones, 2, tens, 3, 100, 8 and 1004. So the number dividend is 4832 and the divisor is 11. So let's start. At first you can see that the first digit 4, which is written at the thousands place, that is smaller than 11. So we should take 2 digit, that means 48. Now you remember the multiplication table of 11. 11 into 1, 11, 11 into 2, 22, 11 into 3, 33, 11 into 4, 44 and 11 into 5, 55. So 55 is greater than 48. So we have to take 44. Now we have to write down 4 at the 100 place, as because we are dividing 4800 by 11. So we write down 4 as the quotient at the 100 place. So 4 into 11, 44. It is 44. Okay. Now you minus 44 from 48. We get 4. Now 3 comes down, so we write down 43. Now you can see that 4 into 11, 44. So we should write down at the tens place 3. At the tens place 3. So 3 into 11 equals to 33. Now again 0, 1. Then 2 comes down. Now you remember again the multiplication table of 11. 9 into 11, 99 and 11 into 10 equals to 110. So 110 is greater than 102. So we should write 9. We should write 9 at ones place. So it is 99 minus 3. So you can see that 3 is the remainder and that is the quotient. So 439 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. So you write down here equals to 439 and remainder equals to 3. Okay. So now you start the question number 2. Here also the dividend is of 4 digit and the divisor is 2 digit, that is 21, and the dividend is 9654. 9654. Now here also you have to remember the multiplication table of 21. Okay. 21 into 1 equals to 21. 21 into 2 equals to 42. 21 into 3 equals to 63. 21 into 4 equals to 84. 21 into 5 equals to 105. You can see 105 is greater than 96. So I am not repeating the same thing, that when you start the division you have to check that the dividend digit must be greater than divisor digit. That means the value of this dividend will be greater than the divisor. So as because 9 is smaller than 21, so you have to take 2 digit, that means 9600. 9600. So we divide 9600 by 21. So we take this value. So we write down 4 at the 100 place. So 4 into 21, that is 84 minus, that is 2, 1. 5 comes down. So we are taking 125 tens. So we now dividing this 125 by 21. So 21 into 5 equals to 105. Now you see 21 into 6 equals to 126. 126, which is greater than 125. So you write down at the tens place the digit 5. So we get 105. Okay. Now you subtract 105 from 25, 0, 2. Now this 4 comes down. Now you remember the multiplication table of 21. 6. So 21 into 7 equals to 147. 8 equals to 168. 21 into 9 equals to 189. And 21 into 10 equals to 210. So now you can see that 21 into 10 equals to 210. So we should take this value and you write down at the ones place 9. So we get 189. So we now subtract 189 from 204 and we get the value 15. We get the value 15. So from this division we can see that quotient 459 and remainder equals to 15. So I hope all of you understood how to subtract any 4-digit number by 2-digit number. That is very simple and you can practice it more and more so that you can. Now we will see how to divide any 5-digit number by 2-digit number. So let's start. You can see I have already written one 5-digit number, that is 24,132 at the dividend place, and we will divide this by 12, which is the 2-digit number. So at first you remember the multiplication table of 12. 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 24. We are dividing 24,000 by 12. So we write down these two at the thousands place. So 24 and we get remainder 0. Now once 1 comes down, we cannot put down more than 1 digit at a time. Okay, when we start we can take 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit. So how much digits are necessary to divide in the first step you can take. Okay, but in the second step or third step or fourth step of a division we cannot put down more than 1 digit at a time. Okay, now only we write down 1. Now 1 is smaller than 12, so we have to multiply this 12 by 0. So we get 0 here. So remainder 1. Now 3 comes down. Now 12 into 1, that is 12. 1 and 2 comes down. So it is 12. Now we know 12 into 1, 12. So we get the remainder 0. So 0, 0 is the remainder. That means 0 is the remainder and 2011 is the quotient. So in this division we learned that how to divide any 5-digit number by any 2-digit number. So in this division the quotient is 2011 and the remainder is 0. So there is no remainder left in this division. Now you come to the second. Here the 5-digit number is 56,216 and we have to divide this by 25. 25 is the 2-digit number, and you can see that is the 5-digit number. So you start this division, take the 5 is smaller than 25, so you take 56,000. 56,000. Now you remember the multiplication table of 25. 25 into 1, 25. 25 into 2, 50. 25 into 3, 30, 75. 75 is greater than 56. So you write down 2 at the thousands place, and it is 50. Subtract 50 from 56. 6. Remainder 2 comes down. Again we write down 2. It is 6200. Okay. So you write down 2 at the 100 place, that is 50 minus 2, 1. 1 comes down. So now 25 into 400, 25 into 5, 125. 125 is greater than 121. So we write down at the tens place 4. So we get 100. 1, 2, 6 comes down. Now 25 into 5, 125. 25 into 6, 150. 25 into 7, 175. 25 into 8, 200. And 25 into 9, 225. 225 is greater than 216. So we write down 8 at the ones place, and that is 200. So we get remainder 16, and our question is 2248. So it is very simple. If you remember the multiplication table from 2 to 25, that is then it is very simple process to divide any 5-digit or 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay. Now we will see how to check after the division. You know the procedure that if you find out the dividend, when you multiply the divisor with the quotient and then you add the remainder with this and you get back the dividend, then your answer is correct, otherwise not. So at first I take one example of any 4-digit number. Just take this example. Okay, so division completed, this division completed. Now we check that this division is correct or not. So at first you write down check, give the heading. Now divisor into into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so now divisor is 25. 25 into quotient is 2248 plus remainder is 16. So when you multiply this at first, you multiply this at first 2248 by 25 and check what you will get. Let's see, 2248 multiplied by 25, that is the multiplication table of 25. Okay, so I do this directly. 8 into 25, that is 200. So 0 is written and 20 is the carry. Now 4 into 25, that is 100. 100 plus 20, 120. So you write down 0 here. 12 is the carry. 25 into 2, that is 50. 50 plus 12, 62. 2 is written, 6 is carry. And 2 into 25, again 50 plus 6, that is 56. So we get 56,200. So you write down 56,200 plus 16. So we get the answer 56,216. So that is the same as the dividend. That means our division is correct. And you can see, if you remember the multiplication table of 25, you can do this directly. So it is quite easy to do this. Okay, so all of you, I think you learn properly how to divide any 4-digit and 5-digit number and how to check after the division. So all of you, bye.